Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the controller not working or no gamepad detected issue in Where Winds Meet on PC. First, make sure the game is fully closed. Now, open Steam and go to your game library. Find Where Winds Meet, right-click on it, and select Properties. Inside the Properties window, click on the Controller tab. Look for the Steam Input option. Open the drop-down menu and select Disable Steam Input. This step is very important because Steam Input can conflict with the game's native controller support. Next, close the Properties window and go back to Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then open Settings. From there, go to the Controller section. Click on Controller Settings or General Controller Settings, depending on your Steam version. Here, make sure the option to enable Steam Input for generic controllers is checked. This helps Steam properly detect common USB controllers. Now let's talk about Xbox controllers. If you are using an Xbox controller, open the Microsoft Store and download the Xbox Accessories app. Install and launch the app. Connect your Xbox controller using a USB cable. If you are using a PlayStation controller, you will need DS4 Windows. Download and install DS4 Windows, then launch it. Connect your PlayStation controller using a USB cable. Make sure DS4 Windows shows the controller as connected and active. Keep DS4 Windows running in the background, then start Where Winds Meet and test the controller. After following these steps, your controller should be detected and working properly in the game. Thanks for watching.